friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Carrie-Jessica. Normally we talk about gray hair, wavy hair, hair care, but today we have the beginning of fall. It is officially a new season when the FabFitFun box arrives. FabFitFun, if you do not know, is a subscription box. It is seasonal. It runs about $40 to $50 a box. I think I pay $180 for the year. Unlike some of my subscription boxes that are super kind of niched down to like skincare, makeup, FabFitFun, you can get just about anything. For me personally, fall especially is super exciting because I grew up in Florida. And I don't know if you're familiar with the South, but we don't really have seasons in the South. I now live in the Midwest and really get to experience seasons. And fall is my favorite. Not because I like any basic pumpkin spicy things. I actually think gourd flavored things are gross. That's just me. Don't come at me. Have your pumpkin spice. I just love cool weather. I love layering clothes, all the kinds of things that like when you grow up in Florida, you don't get to do. I honestly thought that fall, especially when you see like fall football types of things in movies and everyone's like layered up and they have their hot chocolate, I just always thought that that was fake. So to live somewhere where I get to experience fall is everything to me. So let's get in and see what is going on here. That was so easy. Make sure to open it upside down. Something super excited about this box particularly was I was just feeling the subscription gods shining upon me and chose surprise me on everything. So I don't know what I have. I do know that I have like a teal tumbler, but everything else says mysteries. There is a magazine that comes with your Fall FitFun box, and it's really actually a pretty great idea because it talks about all of the different products that either you chose or that were even options. So you do get to learn about new products. Here we go. This box, I have to say sometimes I've been kind of disappointed because I feel like the size of the box is the same even if you have very few or very small items in it. Sometimes I feel like it's a lot of package waste. This one actually seems pretty darn full. I'm gonna put my glasses on so that I can actually see what I have here. Okay, first, this is absolutely adorable. This is from the Beauty Crop Glow Milk Nourished with Coconut and Argan Oil. It is a luminizing milk for face and body. And okay, I normally think that it is such a cliche, like overused thing to be like, oh, I'm a sucker for, I know I do it too, but like, oh, I'm a sucker for packaging. This is such cute packaging. But this is such cute packaging. Like, this is everything. I don't even want to open it. It even opens like a milk carton. Look at that. That is just so freaking cute. Of course I can't get to it like that, so I need to just open it the rest of the way. That was adorable. Recycle. Oh, this is literally illuminating. Like this has shimmer to it, like a highlight. I thought it was going to be like a skincare type product, but this is more of like in the realm of makeup and body makeup. What I would do for products like this is hit your clavicle. I can't really see in my little tiny mirror thing. But there we go. Now I'm gonna be hitting the light and you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, you're glowing. You're like an angel. Ooh, it's on my fingers. Next up, I have the Crease Release. Oh, this removes wrinkles. Really good. I don't iron. Yeah, I like this. Spray 6 times, 6 inches away on fabric and furnishings. It smells good. It smells very like soap. This is from Harper and Ari. This is the Juice Cleanse Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. These are super cute. I think that the whole Juice Cleanse thing is very catchy. I will use exfoliating products like this on my body. I would never use something like this on my face. It's very uneven, so when you're exfoliating, you can tend to get a little, it can be a little abrasive. This will be a very fun product for bath time, self-care. September is self-care month too, so we've got that. Okay, so from Hythe, this is the Tranquility Sleep Mist. It's formulated with powerful ingredients that will relax and soothe your skin and your senses. It does have witch hazel in it. It has lavender oil and rice water. Again, I would spray this personally more like body and not face. Oh, again, it smells clean. The witch hazel definitely has a place there. I like it. Now this was what I knew that I was getting. This is what I could see on the website, I think, is a hydration, like mason jar type water bottle. Okay, so it is a glass bottle. In my mind, I was expecting like a mason jar. Oh, it is. Look at that. It's a mason jar. That is really, really cute. And I drink a ton of water, and I always have water going. And this is good. I actually don't like the straw ones. I feel like they're really hard to clean. So I actually love that it is a flip top. And I love this color, a very Tiffany & Co. blue. It's the same color as my mini fridge. Just like throwing things. I don't know who I think I am. I'm the one that has to get up and pick it up. This is from Beauty Bakery. Proof is in the Puddin' eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna guess that these are gonna be lots of yellow and orange undertoned colors, which even though I am leaning more into cooler colors, I always have a place for like those oranges. Again, everything, I'm just a sucker for anything fall. I actually love these colors. This palette reminds me a lot of a ColourPop palette. Very much that same kind of vibe. This is up my alley. I will use these. But I will not put it back away in this thing. Again, I'm just the one that's gonna clean it up. Oh, I do think that I saw I have makeup on my fingers. I feel like I saw this. I feel like this is a scarf. I've disappeared. This is a scarf. Oh, and it has a pocket that you can put things in. So you could like put, like if you're at a football game, not that it's 2020, so everything that makes fall amazing is kind of not happening at the moment, but if my kids were in high school like normal and they were having football games like normal and I was going like normal, this would be a great place to stick your phone and wallet in. And it is super warm and cozy. Absolutely love it. And oh, a backpack bag. I saw someone else get this. I'm gonna set that box down. I saw someone else get this. I really like this because I don't tend to carry like a traditional purse. I tend to just like hold my wallet and hold my phone, and then I end up stuck like this. Okay, we all know this as women especially. I end up walking around like this. So I definitely am in need of bags, but I'm just not really drawn to purses in the way that some people are. So this is actually really cute. It's from I don't know what it's from. It's a name brand. It's from Botkir, New York, but that's, I'm probably not saying it the right way. But yeah, this is really cute. It has pockets, so it's not just like a giant backpack with like no dividers for your actual items. 2 pockets in the front. I absolutely love it. Okay, so let's take a look at how much the items were that we got in this box to see if it was worth it. So I've got out my handy dandy magazine that comes with it. I don't know why I opened it aggressively like that. So the first thing on here that I have is the backpack bag, and it is $100 backpack. So I'm gonna make sure I don't treat that rudely. Yeah, that's $100. So I've already paid for 2 subscription boxes from FabFitFun just in receiving this bag. So that's pretty amazing. The next thing that I had in mine was this Beyond Yoga Hidden Pocket Infinity Scarf. It's lightweight, has a hidden zipper that we found. It's big enough for phone and wallet and lip balm. This is actually great. It's that perfect balance between it being like thick enough to keep you warm, but it feels light. You know what I mean? Like it's actually perfect. And this is a $60 scarf. Granted, I don't think I've ever paid $60 for a scarf, but living in the Midwest where fall again and winter are more of actual things, I could definitely see spending this much on a scarf that is going to hold up and be durable and last. The next thing that I have in my box is the palette, and that is a $38 palette. Again, it's very comparable in my opinion to ColourPop palettes, but these shadows were actually larger than what's included in the ColourPop palettes. So that's a fair price. I would definitely pay that for most palettes. And on here, you can see like the other things that different people also got. So it's kind of neat because you can kind of take a sneak peek and see what someone else might have. I really like this necklace. Kind of wish I would have gotten that. The next thing is my glass mason jar water bottle, which again, I'm obsessed with. This is $35. I personally would not grab this in a store if it cost $35 and buy it myself, but I absolutely love that I have it because I think it's adorable and I will use it literally all the time. The Harper Ari Exfoliating Cubes. Those are $16. That's kind of a cute, like I can see it being that being the cost for it. Again, I don't know that I would pick it up if I were in the store, but on the same note, it's nice to have little like self-indulgent pamper type things. The next thing is the Crease Release. That is a $16, the de-wrinkler. Again, I wouldn't pick it up just because I never really know if these types of things are going to work. So the fact that I have it for free, I will use the heck out of it and hope that it works because I hate ironing. So the Beauty Crop Milk Glow in Blind Date, which is a really cute name. This was the one that had the best package ever. That was like the little milk carton. This is $20. I'm not really someone who's super into liquid highlighters personally, but that is a very fair price for what it would cost. So I don't even really feel like there was much need to tally up the value inside of the box just because this bag alone was twice the value of the box, and then add in that I actually love this scarf and I love this water bottle. Even if I don't like anything else in it, I have more than tripled the value of the box. If you are interested in signing up for FabFitFun, I will put my link down in the description box. I'm not like a FabFitFun partner or anything. I just really like them. Okay, I was getting kind of hot. As always, please hit subscribe and hang out with me more often. Please hit like on this video. Leave a comment. Let me know. Is FabFitFun a subscription box that you are into? Is it one that you've already had and maybe stopped? Is it one you're about to start again? Leaving likes and comments, those things actually help my channel and I greatly appreciate it. Feel free to find me on other places on the internet. You can find me on Instagram. You can find me on TikTok. You can find me on Facebook. That's probably it. I look forward to seeing you again next week.